Happy Halloween, everybody. I wanted to show you some regarding shrinkflation regarding the candy. The one on the right, this one right here. As you can see, this is an older candy that I had that was a payday that I got probably like a month ago. And look how big this one look. And look at all the peanuts. The one on the left is the one I just bought today. Where are the peanuts? And look at this one. And look at this one. Also, as you clearly can see, the one on the left is a lot smaller than the one on the right. The same price, but less product. Let me compare them side by side. Look. Look how tiny this is. There's no peanuts. That's crazy to me. I tasted the one on the left, the one I got today, and it tastes totally different than the one that I got like a month ago. Because as we know, paydays always have a lot of peanuts in it. So every time you bite it, you always taste a peanut. And you can barely see the caramel. But this one, a lot smaller, less peanuts. This is what we're dealing with. High economy, same price, less product. Bye-bye.